The senator apologized for his previous statements regarding marital rape. In a Facebook post, Padilla said sorry to those who were offended with his remarks. He said it is not acceptable for men to force their wives to have sex with them when they are, quote, in heat. Several women's groups called out Padilla's statements and described them as blatant disregard for women's rights. At least naayos na yung apology niya. Kasi yung nakaraan na pag-sorry niya, parang nag-gaslight pa na parang huwag kayong ma-offend. Pag ganito, dahil ina-address ko lang naman yung ano. Ngayon, diretsong apology.
Ako, offended ako eh.
Offend ka?
Baka para kami mga dog when men are in heat.
Oo, di ba?
We're not animals. Men are not animals. Women can be in heat. Men, any human being can be in heat. Para wag sabihin lalaki lang laging in heat. Ano ako, doggy?
Okay. Pero hindi.
No, it's a joke. Ikaw naman, seryoso. I'm just saying in general, we are not animals. We are creatures of passion. Diba? So, when you are creatures of passion, may mga stimulus yan.
Basta isa lang ang sinasabi nga ni, diba? Sinabi rin yun ng mga women's rights groups at saka ni Attorney Lorna Capuna.
It's not right.
No means no.
Of course. That's what I meant. I'm just saying, ayoko lang sabihin na in heat kami, parang kami mga animals.